Hello and welcome to the video. We're going to take you through um, the basketball score app. We're going to take you through how to create some teams, add some players, and create your first game. So a basketball score app lets you record videos and score the game at the same time. That gives you access to all the stats and all the videos that you can then export as part of highlight reels, share with friends, family, coaches, and so on. So without further ado, let's get going. So first thing is we open up the app, click on start. So we have to go ahead and create some teams, which would then be the ones that we would create the game with. So click into teams, we hit the plus button, and then we're going to create two teams. We're going to start with test team 1. Home gym will be anywhere. City would be any city, and then the abbreviation would be TT1. Hit enter. That creates the team. Click on done. That shows your created team. So go back into that team. Now we can add some players to this team. So we can either add by jersey number and add the names later. We can add by adding the jersey number first and last name. We can search for existing players, or we can just add 5 generic players. So I'm going to choose to add 5 generic players, and you see that those are listed here. Again, you can go back and change any of these names and any of the numbers at a later date. So one team done. Let's create a second team. Let's call that test team 2. Home gym can be anywhere. Home city can be any city. And we're going to call that any city new. And abbreviation now is going to be TT2. Okay, so new team created. And again, we're going to go ahead and add just 5 generic players to this team. There they are. So click on done. We see now that we have 2 teams. So with the minimum of 2 teams, then we can go ahead and create a game. So plus, select the home teams. So first tap, home teams. Second tap, away team. If you keep tapping, it will toggle the home and away team, so you can change those at any point. If you had more teams, you would just click through to be able to select new home or away teams. Click on done, and then we select the starters. So as we only have 5, we select all 5, go save. Do the same for the second team. Go save. We're ready to go, hit save, and now we have a game that we can record. So within that game, you'll see here sort of all the tasks that we can perform against that, which is we can score the game in expert mode. So the triangle in the top right corner will take you to expert mode. Video events, you can list those. The stats for either of the teams, import video, export snippets, score game without video, and export game events, or score with video only. So those ones are going to be the next set of videos. Thanks for listening.